Hello everyone, my name is Sandrex Mancian Mangalino. Today I am going to tackle about Charles Spearman, Theory of Intelligence. Charles Edward Spearman, 1863 to 1945. He was a British psychologist. He studied engineering in college and worked as an engineer in Burma in 1880s. In his early 30s, Spearman decided to leave the military to become an experimental psychologist. Known as an early founder of the psychological testing movement, he developed the two-factor theory of intelligence using factor analysis techniques. By observing and measuring intelligence in a systematic way, Spearman believed researchers would be able to define all the variables that influence the differing levels and types of intellectual ability that people have. More importantly, research would discover how these variables fit together. Charles Spearman, General Intelligence, he suggested that intelligence is general and specific cognitive ability that can be measured and numerically expressed. Experimental evidence. Spearman originally suggested the term general intelligence, as he called it G-factor, to measure intelligence in his two-theory in intelligence, with 24 children from small village school measuring through intellectual measuring based on teacher rankings, to address intellectual and sensory as the two different sets of measure. School cleverness, common sense A and common sense B. He developed his two-factor theory of intelligence using factor analysis. His research not only led him to develop the concept of the G-factor of general intelligence, but also the S-factor of specific intellectual abilities. The general abilities, or the G-factor, this is a set of related influences the performance on all mental tasks. In addition, the characteristic of G-factor, it is a universal inborn ability. It is a general mental energy. It is constant. The amount of G differs from individual to individual. It is used in every activity of life. While on the other hand, the specific ability is also known as the S-factor. It is learned and acquired in the environment. It varies from activity to activity in the same individual. Individuals differ in the amount of S ability. In conclusion, G-factor represents native intelligence. Thus, when we respond to any situation or perform intellectual task, our general mental ability, or G-factor, is mainly responsible for it, and our specific ability in that particular task is responsible for the rest.